Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Ploss and I'm responsible for business development and sales of our additive manufacturing solutions for data preparation and simulation in metal powder bed fusion printing at Hexagon. Today I'd like to take you on a brief journey to explain what this truly means. For some of you it might feel like jumping into cold water, but it goes beyond that. So, come on, follow me. First, it's crucial to understand the specific condition and rules of this game. Prepare well and anticipate a period that might sometimes feel longer and challenging, but it's worth it when you start reaping its benefits. Stay focused and dedicate your energy to the key aspects that will help you overcome the first obstacles. At times, you may feel like you're out in the cold, but staying power is the key. Keep your eyes on the ultimate goal and visualize all the positive outcomes you will achieve. Once you have completed the process, take a moment to enjoy the result in your efforts and feel proud. That is the right mindset and make it to a habit to repeat this approach. Discover new opportunities and integrate them into your routine. Refining your protocol along the way, restart the cycle, engage with fresh experiences, and build valuable connections. So let's connect and begin exploring new possibilities in additive manufacturing together. So hopefully we see you soon. Get in touch and engage with us. Thank you very much.